Good morning. It is Wednesday, I believe. Say hi, little chicken. Oh, there she goes. But today we're gonna go and take care of the animals, and our water company turned the water off, so let's hope nobody needs water. And it is pretty chilly. And I'm doing all of this by myself because my sister picked up the stomach virus. Yum. So let's hope nothing goes wrong. Good morning, everybody.
What the dog doing?
Okay, it's not that empty. Still a little gross though. What are you doing, Bella? Huh? Okay, that's good. Okay, that works better. Let's check if the roosters in the back need water. If I can even get through the door. How are y'all looking? Is that frozen? No. Okay. Y'all are gonna need some soon though. Hey, there's a random egg. Look at that. This egg. Look at that. Look. You want this, don't you? Oh, it did not break. Hold on. Give me a second. Ooh, that was rotten. Oh gosh. Look at that, you're getting yourself caught. Okay, so I know that Sunday's going to need water, so I'll probably take some of the drinking water bottles and fill up her water that way. But let's hope the water gets turned on soon, because this is a pain in the butt. What is going on? Why are all of y'all down here? What are you doing? Are you accompanying Sunday? So she isn't lonely. That is not that much. That's all that is in there. See that? Hopefully it will be enough for the time being. We'll see. Who keeps laying their eggs in here? There you go. There you go. Get out! You're not even supposed to be in here. Luckily today wasn't as busy as I thought it was going to be. Give Sunday water and then some of the animals some food, but that was about it. And So that took about 30 minutes usually when it takes about 1 hour. So that means I have extra time for schoolwork and to do some reading. So I'll get back to you guys later.
What the dog doing?
What are you guys do? So it started raining, so we had to move Sunday back inside. Look at you. You're so cute. And the water's back on, so I was able to get her more water. So, yep. Let's hope the rain stops soon, because I don't want to feed the horses in rain. But you know, we'll see what happens. Here you go, princess.
I feel like a pretty princess. You can drop them.
Hello. What are you doing? You waiting for food?
No, it's not. A sweatshirt you pull over.
Oof.
It's a hoodie with a zipper.
Is this an Aeropostale?
Is it a what?
It's a pastel.
I don't know.
What does the label say?
Indian.
I used to have Aeropostale sweatshirts.
I got that from Florida.
How's that jacket?
What?
It's super.
Get out of my way!
My baby will let me touch her. Yours won't. That sounds wrong out of context.
Hey, guys.
Willow. Willow.
You confused. Go on, let's go. Go on, get. Good girl. Keep going. She was confused. She didn't know where she was going. Make what?
Look, right.
Over that? I think you got it.
It won't break it already? No, I weigh 100 and something. Ew! Ew!
100 and something is quite the large. Hey!
She did it.
I want your baby.
Oh, she's already screaming. Come closer. I want to get the baby. Hello, little baby. He's so cute. Oh my goodness.
We have so many babies on this farm.
Oh, she does not like that chicken.
That chicken ain't gonna do anything. You
Are you eating your food? Huh? Nom nom nom.
Sorry, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to your baby. That baby's going and like biting her udder. There we go.
Do you like the baby goat?